Good morning dear students. In our previous class, we know about the meaning of relief features, relief maps, and how did the geographical diversity leads diversity in India, GMT and IST, meaning of GMT and IST, and differences between the GMT and IST. And also, you know the why did 82 degrees 30 minutes has taken as Indian time meridian. You are all know about these questions. In today's session, you will be able to say neighboring countries of our India, about Tropic of Cancer and geological background of India. Let us go to our first topic, neighboring countries of our India. India, neighboring countries. When you observe the India map, India is having a large land border. What are the neighboring countries? Which countries are sharing our land border? That countries are called the neighboring countries. So neighboring countries are those countries which countries are sharing our land border. That countries are called the neighboring countries. Then you observe India map. Which countries are sharing our land border? For example, northeast. When we go to the northeast, China, Nepal, Bhutan are sharing our land border. So northeastern side of India, China, Nepal, Bhutan are sharing our land border. When we go to the eastern side of India, Bangladesh and Myanmar are sharing our land border. South side of India, only Sri Lanka is sharing our land border. And northwest side of the India, Pakistan is sharing our land border. So, total countries are China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Pakistan are the countries of our neighboring countries. Okay, now we will see the Tropic of Cancer. Already you know that our India is in northern hemisphere. And also 23.5 degrees north latitude is passing from the middle of the India. When it is passing, from which states it is passing we will see. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Total 8 states are covering the Tropic of Cancer. Okay students, I hope you understand the neighboring countries of our India and also from which states the Tropic of Cancer is passing. Now I will give you a little exercise work. After completion of your exercise work, we will go to the another topic. Okay students, your exercise work is take a Indian political map. First one is locate all states in India. Draw the Tropic of Cancer and list out the states crossing Tropic of Cancer. And last, list out the border states of China, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Of India. Generally, landforms on the earth changed by some forces like weathering, deposition, erosion and a major geographical changes. So, today's India also framed a major geographical changes. Before that, how it is happened? Now we are observing India is in Asian continent. Millions of years ago, India is not in Asian continent. Then where it is on globe? So we will learn. Millions of years ago, our earth is a single land block. Our earth is a single land block called Pangaea and also single water block that is called the Panthalassa. Due to the movement of our earth plates, the earth divided into Angara land and Gondwana land. The water body also adjusted these two land blocks. And also we are calling the water body Between these two blocks, Tethys Ocean. Between Angara land and Gondwana land, we have a water body that is called the Tethys Ocean. Our Indian peninsula is related to this Gondwana land. Our Indian peninsula is related to this Gondwana land due to the movement of the earth plates. As per Alfred Wegener, due to the movement of the earth plates, Indian peninsula moved towards to the northeast of the Angara land. Northeast of the Angara land. When it is collusing with Angara land, there is a lot of immense forces. That immense forces brings the land part of the Gondwana land and Angara land, and also a Tethys Ocean moves upwards, and the moved upward part, what is the upward part? That is freezed and framed the Himalayas. So Himalayas is nothing but the freezed part of the Tethys water body. After collusion of the Indian peninsula with Angara land, on the Indian peninsula there is a large basin occur. Large basin formed. This large basin was filled with the sediments and soil carried by the perennial rivers of the Himalayas and plateau rivers. And also it became a good fertile land for good cultivation. So, now we can say this Indian peninsula is the one of the oldest land blocks of the world. And also these Himalayas are the earlier mountains of the world. This is the background of the geological background of India. We will see the visual example also. We are looking beautiful Himalayan mountains. Before that, we are also looking the world map. How did the Himalayan frames? We will see. Millions of years ago, there is only one land block, that is Pangaea, and one water block, that is Panthalassa. So now we are seeing also how the world land blocks are divided into nowadays continents. Alfred Wegener, and also we are seeing Alfred Wegener, he is the former of this theory. Okay. Look, the Indian peninsula is moving towards northeast of the Angara land, that is Laurasia land. The water block also adjusted into Laurasia and Gondwana, Angara land and Gondwana land. Which continents are related this Angara land and which continents are related this Gondwana land, we will see. North America, Europe, Asia are related to Laurasia land, and South America, Antarctica, Asia, India, Australia are related to Gondwana land. Due to the movement of the plates, the Indian peninsula moved to northeast of the Angara land and colluded with Angara land. Look how it is joining with Angara land. When it is joining with the Angara land, there is a lot of immense forces leads to upwards of the earth. Look, and also the forces are folded forces, immense forces. It creates the mountains. That mountains are calling now Himalayas. So, this process takes not a single day, it takes the time of millions of years. That means Himalayas are not formed in a single day. It takes the millions of years for the formation of the Himalayas.